Success akan dikon ya kita video na tal bancing class 12 physics chapter 2 electrostatic potential and capacitance negamen sekiranya kita akan kugen dalam apa yang topik ara spherical capacitor. Dalam bancing yang sekarang ya spherical capacitor negamen suppose era spherical capacitor mo era inner shell era outer shell. Ia cell ni thickness kau antisan ia neke misuka ha ia cell ni thickness onggen ia inner cell ni radius te small a aru ia outer cell ni radius te capital small b onggen small b suppose ia outer shell kau ancang ground ka ha means ia ni ia outer shell ni potential bai tonggen zero ngaha ada dan sini yang sekarang suppose ia ground ka anja mano ia cell ni chugamak cell ni charge sabai ta chum charge sara q mo suppose mo inner shell lo anga inner shell ni outer surface to bai ta charge to chum plus q mo shell ni outer surface to plus q charge ko na ha shell a shell b and dide anjing ko shell b ko anjing ground ka ha ground ka ni jamano shell b donga ba charge sabai ta chum q mo anjing ko na assume kana q mo ini potential bai tongwasin 0 and dide q ni value bai tonggen kang ban chung ko ni chingna odi jamana anjing chugumak spherical capacitor na anjing capacitance ko anjing samjanggen anjing ni chingna small q ni value ko potential on b 0 ahamo potential on b equals to 0 and dide shell b yo potential 0 aha shell b yo potential minus shell onggen shell a ni shell onggen aro shell b ni shell ba onggen andi dan singi ko khangna ira bai tonggen potential on shell b with respect to shell a plus potential on b with respect to shell b itself ira bai tonggen 0 anggen andi dan sini khangna shell b anjing ma seba mo suppose angani satna mo potential due to spherical shell bai tonggen on the surface equals to k q by a suppose here sphere spherical shell here radius a mo point on the distance r on the surface to bai tonggen kq by a v outside the surface surface to bai tonggen outside the shell bai tonggen kq by r potential inside the surface shell ni ngor bai tonggen potential ara kq by a onggen andi dan sini option lagi khang skana potential on b with respect to shell a shell ni potential suppose ko point na mo suppose era point gisa point na ra shell a ni apaloma ma shell ni ngau shell ni apaloma mo point b ra unigimen mai ngen point na shell ni apalo shell a ni apalo unigimen mai ngen ikonching yara outside the shell ngen mo outside the shell ngen 제가 나가는 친구인데 안칭 야고 작할겐 뭐 야고 작할겐 배동겐 여라 k q by distance beta b onggen mo b plus potential on b with respect to b point na shell b ni respect kora on the surface ongya mo on the surface ong ani given kq by a shell ni radius kq by a shell ni radius beta chum b onggen mo b equals to 0 tadi bai tonggen ai nan ching khaman ana suppose shell ni charge bai chum hanching small q aba mo unigam shell b charge bai chum hanching small q k by b q plus q equals to 0 0 ai kan no odi jamande q equals to minus q y equals to minus q daw yang mana ha shell ora shell b ora by the charge tonga chukum charge tara minus q donga mo minus q charge tonga A cell B 를 지금 charge pada 동아 minus Q. And the era minus Q. Ida ya cell B ni outer surface inside the cell, inside the material. Aru ya cell ni ya inner surface onggen mo. Ikon sing yang na. Potential Q on B equals to pada sum minus Q. Tadi yang sing ikut break na. Q. Tadi ya Q ni inside mo, inside. Inner surface mo, inner. Ya cell B ni inner surface, ya surface to, ya surface, inner surface to plus QB. Inside mo ya QB ni ya cell ni material mo ya material ya cell ya material lo ya ronggen plus QB outer surface. Yere cell ni outer surface to mo ya outer surface to petonggen ya ini value 지금 patong asim 지금 kara minus Q ni de petonggen ya khancing ground ka mo ground khana cell ya no de ya outer surface to patong asim charge ra ya ba 0 ai no option ken ya inner surface to mo yera my material yera conducting material mo anching ma sia conducting material ni ngode charge te phangnan 0 aya uni gemen ya ba 0 ai no tawde mai dong khrenga ye dong khrenga mo QB inner surface mo equals to minus Q tawde anching manna ha ya minus Q ra ya shell B ni body surface donga ya inner surface to mo ya inner surface to 동gen uni gemen tawde ya surface na approach de charge songja yasbakte mayongene electric field ba 0 ai no are ya cell ra ya cell ni ngora mamang charge songja uni gemen ya region no ba electric field 0 gen ya cell ni apal region ya chugum region no ba electric field 0 gen and de ya region no de mayongene electric field dongen maina ya no plus tonga re minus tonga ini electric field direction na mayonggen electric field direction na yonggen mo yonggen ya rong jo electric field ni direction ini electric field direction onggen 다른 측량 스카나 potential difference mo ya region no potential difference by tonggen hon 측량 na skang ba 측니 측ne electric field mo electric field ya region mo ya region ra mai chung r less than a equals to 0 gen ya a ya region de ya a na bate khomya mo ya region no de electric field 0 gen option again electric field when R is greater than B equal to 0 gen. Ya region ra R is greater than B mo ya B ya cell dal gban radius mo cell B ni radius h gum radius. Tadi mai bene ya ni ortho de ya sphere ni apalchi ya chipakte chugum kon electric field de 0 gen. Taw thambo an chingni na E ya ra mai onggen na A less than R less than B. Bong jode R greater than A but less than B. Pai tonggen ira not 0 gen ya region na 0 gen mo ya A or B ni gisap ni region 0 gen inora electric field de 0 jo mo 0 jo ba ya region na de electric field 0 jo ba da dan chung anyang na potential difference ya region ni potential difference mo ya region ni potential difference petonggen VA minus VB petonggen ino VB pada sini ino VB ra VB 0 mo VB 0 ino unigemen VA ong ino tawan chung mana ha potential difference petonga VA ong mo VA ong tawan chung khang ba sandina yo VA ko mo VA equals to ya shell any surface to the potential mo indi dia ya shell A ra potential ra sane shell ongen ya shell antang shell ni shell bongen plus ya shell B ni shell bongen 1 second potential on shell A with respect to A itself plus potential on shell A with respect to shell B petonggen A yara on the surface kakinga mo on the surface kakinga paitonggen K Q by paitonggen ya in radius tara A minus plus plus K. Tadi era potential on cell A with respect to B. Potential on cell A with respect to B. Tadi ia A mo. Suppose ia no point consider kabo ia point gisa mo. Ia point gisa. And dia point nare ia cell B ni dengan ma follow. Cell ini dengan uga aking abo mo. Cell ini dengan uga aking abo ni gaman. Anjing kagen. KQ. Ino Q ra maya ia cell ni Q ra minus Q. Cell ni sarsa minus Q divided by ia point nara ia cell B ni inside to aking ni gaman. Anjing formula jak again. KQ by capital B. I mean small b. Ya cell B ni radius onggen. VA by tong ha equals to KQ by A minus KQ by B. VA equals by tonggen. Nanti kaman ana KQ 1 by A minus 1 by B. VA equals to by tonggen. KQ counting LCM again. AB B minus A onggen. Tahu sing mana ha ya ya cell A ni potential mo ya cell A ni potential sing mana ha ya onggen. Tahu sing ya potential ke mana ha ya macam ya juga mo potential difference mo. Baik kancing indike ba sing onggen ya juga mo potential difference delta V. Ya cell A atau cell B ni ya region ni potential difference. Tahu sing mana ha Tahu sing ya potential difference ke mana ha ni gaman ya cell ya juga mak capacitor ni capacitance kan sing dah kan baik tonggen capacitance equals to Q by delta V. Q ina sing delta V baik mana sing ya cell ya region ni ra KQ into B minus A by AB. C equals to ya Q cancel again. Ya kosak again by tonggen A B divided by K into B minus A. Ino kia macam kira columns constant mo. Ini value ra 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught again. And dita sing again. C equals to by tonggen. C equals to AB divided by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into B minus A. And dito sing mana C equals to by tonggen 4 pi epsilon naught A into B divided by B minus A. Tahu sing mana ya ada capacitance. Ya badi ni capacitance ya spherical capacitor ni juga capacitance. Ya C equals to 4 pi epsilon naught. Ira absolute permittivity of free space epsilon naught ra A into B era cell A ni radius B era cell B ni radius divided by B minus A. Tahu sing mana yan spherical capacitor ni juga capacitance. Dalam abang topik ni nama sotaya ha canggah benar ceng cylindrical capacitor ni gaman yang sekarang pelakon metela.